Chase, look out.
They've got their heads all the way back to the other side.
Here, you wanna come here, Chase? Look it. You wanna touch the goat? Whoa. The goat? Good boy. I'm videotaping. He wants to push it. That one's really friendly. Chase, look. Look, Chase. Over here.
Little guy wants to get petted.
Look.
We got another little one here.
Here.
Attention.
Chase, look.
Look.